Hello, once again, this is Dusty Wright with the Wright team, Keller Realty St. George, and today I'm at a brand new home. This one is a two-story. It has the attached 2-car plus the RV/boat garage. The door on this one's 11 wide by 14 tall, so not quite as big as some of those others that we've been doing. But this one's following that kind of look. It's a white and black look. It's in a new area here in St. George. Brand spanking new. It's got the iron door with the glass there. Kind of a nice little entryway here. We'll go in and take a look. All right, coming on in, you've got the wood plank tile floors, a little chandelier light fixture there. You've got the office here. It's got the 12 by 24 kind of Carrara marble-ish looking porcelain tile there. The black and white, I guess it's a kind of not a shiplap, but just a little trim piece there. A little decorative look. Got the staircase going to the upstairs. This home is 2,902 square feet, 4 bedrooms plus that office there that I was just showing you with the Carrara marble-looking tile. And then you come into the great room, and it's all the wood plank tile floors, the floor-to-ceiling cabinets, the quartz countertops, the drop-in cooktop. It's got the double oven system over there with the microwave above, and then it has the farmhouse sink. The black and white theme continues on in here in the house. You have your gas fireplace, shelving on either side of the entertainment with the puck lighting underneath there. Come on over here, you got your double ovens, the Frigidaire Professional, and then this actually is a hidden pantry. I didn't turn the light on in here yet. It's got an outlet in here. There's a light up there, it's not on. And the window out to the backyard. And this kind of wraps around to show you what it looks like from right here. And then coming this way towards the garage, you have your mud bench area with the cabinets above. And then you have your powder bath, half bath. And then across the hall here, you have your laundry room. And then the cabinets up around. All right, and then coming over here to this side of the home, here's the door from the inside, because it was kind of a shiny view when I was coming in on the video initially. There's your thermostat, and then into the master bedroom here. It's got the ceiling fan, with the lights on either side over there, with the switches there, so if you're laying in bed, you can turn one or the other one off. And then into the master bathroom, continuing that black and white theme in here as well. Has the quartz countertops, the black faucets, the black knobs, the white cabinets, freestanding tub. And then this is the shower here. Oops, there's the light. The vertical 12 by 24. The rain head and the other one off the wall, and then into the walk-in closet here. Here's another look at this bathroom. And of course, there's the door into the toilet room there, and then back out here to the master bedroom. All right, then here's the staircase coming up, and once you get up here, you have the big family room area here. Has the can lights, ceiling fan. I just turned it off. And then this one actually has some pretty decent views of the surrounding mountain ranges. You're sitting up quite a bit higher than the neighbors behind, so it's probably unlikely you'll lose these views, some of these views, maybe a little bit of some, but pretty big open room here. TV room, and then it has a walk-in closet here as well. There's a light in there, I just don't have it turned on. And then across from that room, you have this bathroom here. Has the penny tile on the floors, the white cabinets with the white quartz and the black fixtures and black candles and the black lighting fixture. And then over here you have the subway tile, the white subway tile with the black Schluter, and then the black shower handles there as well. And then over on this side, you've got another bathroom and bedroom here. And once again, it has the can lights in each of these rooms, ceiling fans. And then you come in here and it has that kind of hexagon tile on the floor, the white cabinets. That same subway tile with the black Schluter. And then over on this side, we've got one other bedroom here. The ceiling fan, the can lights, and then your double door closet there. And then over here, you got the last of the bedrooms upstairs. And this bedroom here actually has pretty decent views too. So. And of course, last but not least, we're into the garage here. You've got the 16 feet wide by 8 foot tall door. Has that kind of more of a modernish look with the window panels there, the LiftMaster MyQ. It's all painted and trimmed and finished in here. There's your water heater. And then over here you have your RV/boat garage. And of course this one is approximately 50 feet deep. It has the windows down low here that you can't open up. Has the saw cut concrete. Your 50 amp plug there, 220. Then it has a storage room here at the back. Let me give you a glance at what it's like from right here. So it's approximately 50 feet. That door is 11 feet wide by 14 tall. So, you know, some of the motorhomes and things with that width, it might be a little bit tighter, but nice for boats or extra cars and things of that nature. And then coming in here, you have a little storage room at the back. Does have a couple outlets in here too as well, and then the man door that goes out to the side. So yeah, once again, this is Dusty Wright with the Wright team, Keller Williams Realty St. George. Give us a call or find us online at mystghome.com. Thanks for watching.